this episode, we have a list of articles, and we can click on these to read the article. However, we do have a lot of them, and so some kind of search mechanism would be really nice. So in this episode, we're going to look at having a search input. We can click on here, which will launch a dialog, which we can then start typing in. We can then navigate to the article we want to read and hit enter to select it, and it'll take us right to that article. Or we can use hotkeys, Control+K, to do the same thing, and then we can pull up the article. And I've covered this a bit in the past or hinted to it, and we had used the hotkeys.js library, but in this episode, we're not going to be bringing in any external resources, we're just going to do it from scratch. And there's some pretty cool things that we're going to be able to build in with this. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.